Amidst the hilly landscape of Val di Noto, Sicily, stands Casa Bendico, an architectural masterpiece rooted in local tradition while bringing a touch of modernity. Built with an understanding of the natural and cultural context of its surroundings, the house does not try to dominate the landscape, but rather blends in with it. Rather than using the white minimalist design language typical of modern homes, the architects chose a more down-to-earth approach, adopting forms and materials that are in harmony with the rural buildings of the region. Materials are the main element in uniting the house with its environment. The cast concrete walls, made using artisanal techniques, are colored red and brown from Mount Etna's pozzolan, creating a nuance that blends with the rocky soil typical of Sicily. In addition to providing aesthetic value, these materials were also chosen with consideration of their resistance to earthquakes and the risk of fire that often occurs in the region, ensuring safety without sacrificing beauty. One of the most interesting aspects of this project is the collaboration with local craftsmen from Syracuse, Modica, and Catania. Every element, from the concrete formwork to the interior details, was executed with skills passed down through generations. The result is a home that not only represents contemporary design but also pays homage to the rich local skills and traditions. The interior spaces of the house are designed with an open and flowing concept, creating a close relationship between the interior and exterior. Large windows and wide openings not only strengthen the visual connection with the surrounding landscape but also allow natural light to flood throughout the space. At several points, terraces and roof extensions serve as transitional spaces between the inside and outside, inviting residents to experience the tranquility of Sicily's nature firsthand. Casa Bendico is proof that architecture can grow from the ground it stands on, blend with nature, and remain relevant in a modern context. Every element in its design teaches us the importance of balance between innovation and tradition, sustainability and aesthetics, and function and comfort of space. Casa Bendico's architecture was designed with energy efficiency and thermal comfort in mind. Passive bioclimatic systems are implemented to keep indoor temperatures comfortable throughout the year. One of the technologies used is pozzolan, a ventilation system that uses the stable temperature of the soil to cool the air before it enters the house. From its earthy material choices to its design strategies that adapt to its surroundings, this home reminds us that architecture is not just about building, but also about understanding how a home can speak to its landscape, how it can create shelter without isolating its inhabitants from nature, and how design can be a reflection of local culture and identity. For those of us who love architecture, Casa Bendico teaches us that a home is not just about form, but also about meaning. It is a space that grows from its context, that doesn't just stand in a place, but truly becomes part of the place itself. May this home inspire us to think more deeply about how we build, not just for our own comfort, but also for the future, the environment, and the legacy we leave behind. Thanks for watching. See you in the next architectural exploration.